Hi, today we're treating this newborn shirt and trouser. Okay, welcome to Alina's fashion. So we're going to be using a pattern paper like this. So you get your pattern paper. So I'm going to be giving you the parameters. So you measure 5.5 inches, okay, for the width, and then the length of 11 inches. Okay. So you just mark it like so and make sure you mark it accurately. So I'm going to be marking 5.5 inches down here to this point. Okay, so and the width will be like 11 inches. So I'm placing it on another pattern. Okay, but this pattern I'm making it 1 inch longer. Okay, instead of the 5.5, I'm adding 1 inch to that 5.5 pattern I've cut before. So this will serve as the front bodies. Okay, here we have it, the front pattern and the back pattern. Okay, the front pattern is 1 inch wider than the back pattern. So this is it. So just place it like this. I'm going to be marking the other. I'm going to be marking the shoulder of 3 inches. Okay, and then I'm coming down but for the armhole with 3.5 inches. So like we did in the other videos, I'm going to be squaring this. If you've not watched my videos, please take this time to check out Alina's fashion. I've got many videos for children wear up to adult wear. So I'm squaring this line like this. So I'm squaring this line like this. Then I'm going to be taking the other parameters. Okay. For adults, your shoulder slant is 1 inch, but children you're going to mark 3/8. Okay, so you mark something like this. I'm going to be making it vivid for you to see. So this is it. This is what you use for the shoulder slant for children. Okay, so we are going to be taking the half inch also for the shoulder. Okay, half of the shoulder, the armhole are coming out by. I'm not coming out okay because I'm cutting both front and back, so I'm just covered like this. Okay, so 1.5 and 1 inch for the back neckline, so you just curve it like this. So I'm marking it. I'm going to square the line and curve it, but for the front neckline it's going to be a little bit deeper, so this is for the back neckline. Okay, so cut only the front pattern in the back pattern, sorry. So this is the back pattern, cut only the back pattern. Okay, be left with the front pattern coming down by 1.5 inches. Okay, so I'm just curving it to the to this three pattern that we marked. Okay, 3 inches that will mark. Okay, so just make it like this and curve it. So you have the front neckline. Okay, but there's something I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be curving this front neckline downwards. So let me cut that. So just cut the front neckline. Okay, take the back neckline out. This is the part I'm curving down. Okay, and I'm going to be doing same for the down part also. So I have this shape for jacket. So this is the front pattern. Let me liberate this side is open. Okay, open front. Okay, and then I'm going to be cutting this part open in the fabric. Then this is the back pattern. Okay, so I'm going to be cutting out this armhole. Just place it properly like this. Okay, I've removed 0.5 inch. Okay, so I'm cutting it out like this. So this is how it is. So just place this on your fabric and then you're good to go. Okay, so for the sleeve, this is 5 inches wide and 11 inches long. So we are just going to be taking it like this. This side is the open part. Okay, this is the open part. You measure 1.5 inches, then you just give it an S shape. Like I said in my previous video, for the sleeve, you just curve it like this. If you have your French curve, you can use it. Okay, for the adult, I've shown how to cut an adult sleeve. It's different from this. Okay, the sleeve cap is different from the for babies. For the wrist measurement, 3 inches, but I'm marking 4 inches. Okay, but I'm going to be marking 3 inches also. The 4 inches is just for allowance. Okay, for the babies. Okay, so just cut it. This is basically how to cut your baby's sleeve. Okay, so this is a free beautiful pattern on how to cut. So this is for the trouser. Okay, so 7 inches by 12 inches for the trouser. Okay, the length is 12 inches. Okay, the wideness is 7, so you're going to be coming down by 8 inches. Okay, so let me just label this part open part of the trouser. This is the closed part. Make sure this place is placed on fold. Okay, so this is it, the closed part, and this is the open part. So on the open part, I'm going to be showing you what you mark. On the open part, this is folded into 4. You fold this into 4 for the newborn or baby's trouser. We are folding into 4, closed and open parts. Okay, so take note. So here it is. From the open part, you're marking 1.5 inches down. Just mark 1.5 inches to 8 inches. Okay, mark this 8 inches. You're marking 1.5 inches down to this 8 inches mark. Then you draw the line straight down to the 8 inches, and then you just give it the curve like this. This is for the crotch. Okay, so you give it a curve like so for the crotch. Then you come to the hem. You mark 4 inches. Okay, 4 inches for the hem of the trouser. I'm adding 0.5 inch. Okay, just for ease. So you can cut on your 4 inches directly. Okay, but I'm going to be adding 0.5 inch. Okay, for ease. Okay, this is for the fabric. So I'm cutting this part like so. So you just basically place it on your fabric, unfold the closed and the open part, and then you cut it out. Okay, so this is the pattern for the baby's shirt and trouser with the sleeve. Thank you for stopping by. Check for the link down below. These beautiful babies wears that Alina's Fashion have made.